We don't like Australia.
I think it's much more closer.
Nowadays, they use the vehicle, but not the people. In this case, to minimize the movement of the voice, only the guide voice, which they use it to. Okay. Okay, you saw that.